rather lively, isn't it? A few too many owls, no doubt. Lucky devils. Right, that's Stevenage done. I'm trying to get to the A1 again. And try not to the back of myself. Well, I've got to get down to junction 3 of the A1M because we're off to Aylesbury. Oh, hang on, this looks promising. Indeed it does, look at that. By the way folks, that's how you might not have got the context of this. Just to recap, 515 miles, 20 hours, 18 hours riding, minimum 2 hours rest period. We'll be having another break soon, but so far we're up to 355 miles, I think it says on the card. We've got to get to 515. Oops. Yeah, so 515. Aylesbury next, as I say. So not much to see when it's dark. So but the ball's up already. Damn it! Ah, no I haven't. Of course I do I have. Folks, we're here. We're about, I don't know, 15 miles from Aylesbury. Filled up, hopefully for the last time. I think that's... I only put a few litres in to top up before I started. Go on, girl. And then I filled up at Glossop-ish. The plan fill up at Stevenage, not Stevenage, the one before that. It's at Neats, that didn't happen either. And I was on F-trip by about 5 miles.
Where are you from?
Stevenage.
Hey. That's a 40-mile one.
Yeah. Well, it felt like it.
Not bad.
What time is it?
It's now 1:50.
1:50.
Could you do with a drink?
Squash,
water.
I'll have a tea if you can do one.
Yep. What would you like?
White without?
Sorry?
White
Okay.
without?
White without, please, Tal. Have fun, everybody.
Take care.
The Jotter's back. Beautiful. Right, that's Aylesbury. Cup of tea. Thanks to the Buckinghamshire Fire Service, the headquarters. Thank you very much. Free use of the teas and coffees and everything, and free tea. Right, out to 10. After that little break, we are about, what's that, 20? Yeah, smack on 20-minute break. So that's about an hour and 25 minutes, I think, all in on break. So I want 414, I think it is, and then the A40. But I'll have to say, folks, most of the roads today have been very good roads, been resurfaced and that, especially around Lincolnshire. You can get on with it there, not break the law, just, you know, good average speeds. Okay. 413 Amersham, Wickham. Let's just stop under his street lights and have a look. Oxford. Oh, Oxford, that's A40, isn't it? 418, that's the one, I think. Right then, folks, well, as I say, it's a bit dark, so see you again in a bit. Well, we shouldn't be too far away from the next one now. Carterton Pavillion. And Bryce Norton Sports Pavilion. Bryce Norton is the nearest place you probably have heard of, folks, as in RAF Bryce Norton as well. We're still a bit early, we're still about 25 early. Okay. Where's the Carterton Pavillion? Carterton. I think we'll pull up and have a check. It says I'm here, and I've got to walk the rest of the way. Well, that's well, this is obviously not the way, is it? See no signs for this one. No signs for Carterton Pavillion either, or control point. Leisure Centre and Pavillion. Okay, we'll go right. We'll try that. Norton Way. That does not sound familiar. Hello, what we got? Here we are. Oh, it's straight past it. Looking at that flag, it's easy from this way. Yeah. So that's about the fourth slight detour. Mind you, people, duck. .306. Go and sign in, and we might have a break.